Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here, and I'm just hopping on to say Merry Christmas to all of you, and I hope we all have a healthy and prosperous new year. And I'm just sharing a few photos of my family, my daughter, husband, and Brian and Bria, and we just had a relaxing day. We had a lot of people over yesterday for our gift exchange, and on Christmas, everybody just usually have their family and friends over on Christmas Day. That's something that we've been doing for a while. I started some new seeds today. I love gardening so much that I just can't stop, even on Christmas. Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.